Hey guys, how's it going today? My name is Ari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a wonderful day in Miami. It's really hot and sunny. It's partly cloudy, but I so like this weather. Today I am looking for the new places to shoot my future music videos because I make music videos for my artists, for my clients. This is how I make money, and today I will try to find, something interesting. So let's check it out. So this place is really amazing because if you see and just go around, you can find a lot of different backgrounds. So you can find the palms, you can find the buildings, you can find this little street, and also there is an ocean right there. Just go straight and you can swim, or probably it would be better if you walked, right? And let me explain to you guys why I love this place so much. Sometimes my clients just ask me like, hey Ari, I'm looking for a music video, I wanted to work with you, but my budget is a little, I mean, it's low, and let's just do something. If you can, let's just work for 1 or 2 hours. And just to be clear, I mean, I don't really like it because it's really hard to shoot music videos. Spending just 1 or 2 hours, it's not enough. Probably I would say 5 or 6 hours is probably would be better, much better than just 1 or 2 hours. But when it happens, I always try to get the place like this, because you can see a lot of different situations, a lot of different combinations of the streets and buildings, and all the street is awesome. And I'd like to give you this advice: if you are looking for a place for shooting and you have just 1 or 2 hours or 3 maximum, whatever, just try to find a place like this. Like I said, you can get a lot. And if I shoot a music video right here, I will use like this angle, like this low angle. It looks unusual. Then probably I would go somewhere there to go inside of these buildings, and to get this wonderful background. I mean, it looks a bit sadly, but for music video, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Then I would cross the street to get those palms in my music video. Probably I would put my artist right here. I don't sure can I use this word put or not, I don't sure. So yeah, as you see, this place is awesome, but we need to find more because this is just one place. Let's go. So unfortunately, the most of places that I found look similar, because Miami, I mean, downtown and this place in Miami Beach looks similar, really similar. So that's why it's so important to find something unusual, and let me show you something again. So you can see the palms like we just saw, right? And also we can see this wonderful car, but now, I mean, this white building looks super cool. And I'm sure that I will shoot a music video right here, so my artist will sit like me and the background will be this white building. I think that's cool. And also we can find some stores and some shops right here, and to get the city vibe. So it looks cool. But there is just one thing that I don't really like, and this is all these people. Because when you just bring your artist or whatever, your client, and when you just start your shooting, I mean, all people around you just look at you at this moment. So that's why we can use this place only for B-rolls. We can shoot performance right here. Probably if we will use just super unusual angel, probably yes. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, so I like the city, by the way. Let's go to the next one. It's like when everyone just go here and this place. How to say it? Like, this place is so, for sure, so famous. Oh, come on. How can I forget it? I don't know, man. This place is really cool, but I think it's more about the weddings, you know what I mean? Yeah, because we can find, so many flowers and the trees, the palms right here. And this place is really beautiful. It's nice, it's cute and stuff like that, but I didn't sure anything like this. Because my clients, they are rappers and they just make hip-hop or rap music. This is like a bit different. I mean, this is totally different probably. Besides this, you know, this place is awesome. Probably I would use it for love story or for like Miami vibe or something to get, I mean, different emotion. Not about like poo-poo, like money and babies and stuff like this. You know what I mean? No guys, I'm just kidding. I love my clients so much. Alright, cool, welcome to the next place. I didn't know about this place and I didn't know about any of my places. I just went somewhere at the art district probably and then I just walked. Look at this guys, this is Miami style because we just found new people to shoot music videos. Alright.
You might as well shoot the music video.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Tell them follow me.
Yeah, for sure. And I just found those guys that want to shoot music video. So about this place, it has like a water side, which is great, some buildings again, some palms, and probably it's enough for this place. And also check this out, it has like little pieces of, I don't know what is that, I mean in English, but it's just like sea pieces from the beach. Wow, looks amazing. You know, sometimes it's really hard, sometimes no, if you're looking for something new in your life. And usually if you just drive through the city, you can find so many different and cool places, but you just don't want to stop. I don't know why. You just want to go through and that's it. So this is why it's so important. Just stop your car, get out from your vehicle and find something, right? And you know why I'm so happy? Because I just found my new client right here. They just asked me like, what's up, what are you doing here? Are you a YouTuber or what? And I was like, of course man, but also I try to get, you know, new location. So let's shoot something here. Some of that guy, he has almost the same camera as me and he has like 50 millimeters and he was like, let's shoot right here, right now. I have speaker, I have camera, I have lenses. But yeah guys, I don't want to work like this. I want to listen to the song, I want to find the location, probably the different one, and then let's just do it, right? So yeah, the main idea is if I didn't get out from the car, I wouldn't find, you know, new clients and also this place. So let's just keep it in your mind. If you see something, just get out from the car and go there, go to a place. Alright guys, but my best advice, never leave your car with the key inside, because some people can do exactly like me. Never do it. So the weather in Miami is different than it was in California. Yeah, this is California, you know, this is Miami. Look at these funny palms. They're so cute and little. I really want to touch it. Oh wow, it's so cute. Кисатунечка. Kisa. So in California we have absolutely different type of palms. They're much larger, much longer and totally different. I don't know why. No, I mean, I'm from Russia, but I used to live in California 2 years and then I just moved to Florida for a couple of months or longer, I'm not sure right now. And you know, Miami is super place. I like it so much. The weather, the nature, everything is different. You guys, you need to be super thankful if you live in this country, in the USA, because you have so many different options and you know, this is really awesome. Because in Russia, oh, never mind. I don't want to speak in Russian. I don't like Putin. Okay, nobody likes Putin, by the way. Let's go to the next one. So if you're looking for a place for video shooting or photo shooting, whatever, sometimes you can understand that you need to park your car somewhere super far from your place, right? And this is the reason why it would be better if you used like 1 or 2 cars or probably Uber to go somewhere, because sometimes, you know, the place located super far and you don't want to go, I mean, on your foot, you know, like 5 or 10 minutes, especially in Miami because it's super hot, the humidity is crazy. Oh, what the hell is that? And I'm not talking about this one, I'm talking about this one. Oh wow. You know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. Oh wow, this is the place. This is the place that I was talking about. And I'm sure that I will bring my artist right here in the next video, and I will get a lot from this place.
Mountains towering again in your mind. Aren't they the hardest ones to climb? Darling,
So I just found the information about this place because this is the Jewish Holocaust meaning. I just think about what if I will use this place for a shooting video, and if people will, you know, like rapping about money and girls and stuff like that. And I don't know, is it fine or not, because this place looks absolutely amazing. This is absolutely cool place, but the meaning of this place, I don't really know, guys. Please write into the comments what do you think about this one, because you know, I super like it. I'm sure that I will use it, but the meaning of Holocaust and Jewish, I mean, this is a bad part of, I mean, this is not like a bad part, but for example, for the music video shooting, this is not super good. I don't want to, you know, to be disrespectful to some people, and this is not my style, but the place is awesome.
fancy thing to my name. Aren't they fleeting anyway?
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If so, please put a thumbs up and subscribe on my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Today we tried to find new places, and I would say that I really found it. You know, a couple of places, step by step, and you will learn all the city, and this is crazy. I like it. And if you're looking for a music video shooting, just let me know and I will try to do it as best as I can. Just text me or write, and I'll see you next time. Всем пока!